major project going on. I want to show you.
I got to okay.
We are tearing a wall out. Notice I said we?
Yeah. You gave me permission.
No, I just came out here and this crazy man's out here tearing up my trailer.
You said there was gold hidden in these walls. The map said.
Do you need a light on?
Well, no, I'm looking at. Because we got to take the backside off. But the thick wood that they got in here isn't even there. So I'm probably going to take a piece of this and have to rip it and even it up so that I can put, because you see I got the top strip off even and I got the side, this strip off so I can cap it. So I've got to put something in there to bring it flush with that before I put that on there. And I'm just like,
yeah, I understand.
piss me off it did. And then I've got, I'm going to have to, I'm not going to finish it today because I got to go get my big saw and cut through the thick wood. Because I can't do that with the razor blade. I was hoping they'd have it framed conveniently, but they did.
Okay, so what the deal is this wall, I don't know what the measurement is, but it's from about my elbow over. It's just not very wide. And I'm not using this because it has a panel. I think I've told you this in other videos. It has a panel that's supposed to go up and down in here. But I took the panel out, and if I get rid of that wall, it just gives me more room to go in and out of the bathroom.
Now, I can stop it. What time? Kellogg's? Still open? If they're still open, I can get the part I need. It's only going to be like 50 cents.
Okay, fine.
It's 4 o'clock. You may still be open. So I'm going to head back. In fact, I'm just going to leave all this here.
Yeah.
Where's my cover, though?
Okay, quit cleaning and do what you
No, I was looking for my cover. Okay, I'll run back, get that, and then
I'll just wait
get my saw.
in the house.
Okay.
Thank you.
I brought. Okay, that's it. No. Just throw that thing away.
Huh?
Throw that thing away.
Throw what thing away?
Bulky and useless.
The saw?
Yeah, it's not going to cut down. I'm going to end up hurting myself or somebody else with it. I mean, I cut across, but
I thought it turned counterclockwise.
it comes from underneath for whatever reason. This thing is running that way. You tighten it counterclockwise, and it's running clockwise. Don't ask me.
That's weird.
Yeah, it's cutting from underneath and pulling up. That thing's dangerous as hell. It should be coming down so that it pushes the wood down. Instead, it's coming from behind and lifting it up. That doesn't make any sense to me.
See what I'm saying?
Oh, it went at an angle. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I can still square that. 'Cause remember, I got to make up space.
Okay.
So I can still make that look good. Yeah. No. Good thing you stopped me.
Okay.
But actually, it's past this now.
Yeah.
So I can
Score
use
it.
the razor knife. That's what I
Yeah.
need to do.
Except for cutting the wood at the bottom.
Well,